Hello friends, welcome to Sun Mathematics Higher Education classes. Today I will discuss the matrix, introduction of matrix, types of matrices, then some operation, then going to the transpose, conjugate, transpose conjugate in the first lecture. So let us start the matrix. Matrix. Matrix is a rectangular representation in which this this representation contains rows and columns. So if we multiply number of rows by multiply number of columns, so we get a order of matrix. So see, this 1 1, this 1 2, this 1 3, and so on 1m, and here 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, and 2m, and here an1, an2, an3, and so on anm. So the number of rows is n, number of columns m. So order of this matrix is n cross m. Here the n is different number from m. So this is both are not equal. So this is rectangular matrix. Understand? Now going to square matrix. Square matrix, if n or m both are equal, that is this becomes n cross n, that is number of columns is equal to number of rows. So representation is a11, a12, a13, and so on a1n. Now a21, a22, a23, and a2n. Now an1, an2, and so on ann. So this is square matrix. Now going to the types of matrices. Now give the zero matrix. Now see, zero matrix. Zero, if a matrix whose all elements are zero, that is this form. This is a zero matrix. Here number of columns, number of rows is 2, number of columns of auto 2. This is 2 cross 2, 3 cross 3, 4 cross 4, zero matrix. Now identity matrix. Identity matrix. So identity means a matrix whose diagonal elements is 1. Diagonal elements 1 or other elements are 0. That is in this form 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. I mean diagonal elements are 1 1 1 and the order is 3 cross 3. So this is identity matrix. Now going to transpose matrix. Transpose matrix. So transpose is nothing but if A is a square matrix, that is n cross n, or complex matrix. Here all matrices are complex. Without losing of generality, we assume that the all matrices are complex. If unless otherwise it is written that the matrix is real. We assume that all matrices are complex. जितना अगर उसमें क्वेश्चन में दिया ना हो तो आप किसी को भी रियल नहीं मानेंगे, आप कॉम्प्लेक्स पर ही काम करेंगे. So is n cross n complex matrix. Then the Aij is n cross n. This is representation. Then A transpose is nothing but Aj or n cross n. If we write here rectangular form, so m cross n, so this become n cross m. I am Aij, jth element is nothing but ji element of A transpose. That is in A transpose is obtained from A by interchanging row and columns. Okay, now see the some properties of transpose matrix. So what are the some properties? Properties of transpose matrix. matrices. Okay, so the transpose of any matrix is represented by A transpose A dash or A की power t. This is a representation of the transpose matrix. So if A is transpose, then again a transpose. If we take again a transpose, then it equal to A. Second, if A plus B two square matrix and we add and take transpose, this is nothing but A transpose plus B transpose. Now third property, if scalar multiplication, so this transpose, so this is nothing but K into A transpose. If two matrices का transpose, this is a reversal open by reversal law, so this is equal to B transpose into A transpose. And now next property, इंटीग्रल पावर, if a की पावर n, a पावर n का ट्रांसपोज is nothing but a ट्रांसपोज पावर n, where n is belongs to the integer, positive integer. N is positive integer. Now next property is conjugate. Sorry, next matrix is conjugate matrix. Conjugate of conjugate matrix. So conjugate matrix is nothing but if A is a square matrix, A cross n square or rectangle matrix, A is m cross n matrix, form Aij is m cross n, then A conjugate m cross n is nothing but Aij m cross n. Here the A conjugate of matrix obtained from A by taking every element of A conjugate, by taking conjugate of every element present in A. So this is obtained, this matrix is called conjugate matrix. Okay, so now properties, this is denoted by A conjugate. So now property, so property is what? Properties of conjugate matrix. So property is nothing but P1. First property, A conjugate, again conjugate, we take double conjugate is equal to A. If A plus B two matrices, then conjugate is nothing but A conjugate plus B conjugate. If scalar multiplication, conjugate is nothing but K conjugate into A conjugate. AB conjugate is nothing but A conjugate into B conjugate. A power n, again conjugate is nothing but A conjugate power n, where n is the positive integer. Now next matrix is transposed conjugate. Transposed conjugate. Transposed conjugate matrix. So transpose, I mean first transpose, then conjugate. So this is nothing but A transpose conjugate. So A, if A is a matrix, square matrix, Aij is n cross n, then A transpose conjugate is nothing but Aj conjugate n cross n. So if A transpose is obtained from A by taking conjugate and interchanging row and columns. Okay, now this is denoted by A power theta or A star. Now property of A star. So first property is A star and again a star. So this is nothing but A plus B, the whole star is nothing but A star plus B star. K A star is nothing but K conjugate into A star. Okay, if k is real implies k conjugate is equal to k, so k into a star is nothing but k into a star. If a and b two matrices, then a whole conjugate is nothing but b conjugate into a conjugate. If a power whole star is nothing but a star power n, where n is the integral power. Thank you for watching me.